Hello, it's a pleasure to have you here. A dramatic scene unfolded at the Federal High Court in Abuja after activist, publisher, and former presidential candidate Humiliate Sowore was taken into custody and transferred to the Kuje Correctional Center following a court order remanding him until Wednesday. What began as a routine court appearance quickly escalated into one of the most talked about political developments in Nigeria, with videos circulating online showing emotional supporters, heightened security presence, and growing tension around the court's premises. The incident occurred shortly after the court ordered that Sowore be remanded in Kuje prison pending the continuation of proceedings in a cybercrime case brought against him. Security operatives moved swiftly to implement the court's directive, taking the activist into custody within the court complex. However, the developments immediately triggered strong reactions from many of his supporters, some of whom had gathered at the venue in solidarity with the former presidential candidates. Videos now trending across social media platforms showing visible angry supporters expressing frustration over the court's decision. In some of the clips, groups of Sowore supporters can be seen chanting slogans and attempting to block sections of the court premises as security personnel work to maintain order. Witnesses describe a tense atmosphere as emotions ran high following confirmation that the activists will be transferred to Kuje Correctional Center pending the next hearing in the case. For many of Sowore's supporters, the images coming from the court represented more than just another legal proceeding. They viewed the remand order as part of a broader struggle involving freedom of expression, political opposition, and the role of activists in Nigerian democratic space. Some supporters argued that the activist was being unfairly targeted because of its outspoken criticism of government policies and political leaders over the years. Others described the scenes as deeply troubling, saying they were disappointed to see a prominent opposition figure taken into custody under such circumstances. The situation became even more dramatic as DSS operatives escorted Sowore away from the court complex. Videos circulating online captured emotional exchanges between security personnel and supporters, many of whom appeared determined to register their dissatisfaction with the court's decision. Although security agencies eventually succeeded in removing the activists from the premises, the images continue to dominate online discussions throughout the day. The latest development adds another chapter to Sowore's long history of confrontations with authorities. As a founder of Sahara Reporters and a prominent activist, he has built a reputation for challenging governments, exposing alleged wrongdoing, and speaking out on issues relating to corruption, governance, and accountability. His activism has frequently placed him at the center of political controversies and legal battles, making him one of Nigeria's most recognizable and polarizing public figures. Supporters argue that his willingness to challenge powerful interests is precisely why many young Nigerians admire him. They see him as a symbol of resistance against injustice and an advocate for transparency and democratic reforms. Critics, however, argue that activism must operate within the framework of the law and that public figures should remain accountable for their actions and statements. Regardless of where one stands politically, there is little doubt that the images emerging from the Abuja court have reignited discussions about political freedom, judicial independence, and the treatment of opposition voices in Nigeria. For many observers, the reactions of Sowore's supporters demonstrate the emotional connection he continues to maintain with sections of the Nigerian public, despite years of legal and political challenges. The remand order itself is linked to ongoing legal proceedings that have attracted significant public attention. While the court has insisted on following due process, supporters of the activists continue to question both the necessity and the circumstances surrounding his detention. Their frustration was evident in the scenes witnessed outside the courthouse, where many expressed concern about what they view as an increasingly hostile environment for political dissent. As Nigerian watches the case unfold, attention will now shift to the next court appearance. Supporters are expected to continue mobilizing public attention around the matter, while legal analysts will closely examine developments as proceedings continue. Meanwhile, the videos from Abuja have already become a powerful symbol in the ongoing debate about politics, activism, and the limits of dissent in contemporary Nigeria. For now, Omoyele Sowore remains at the Kuje Correctional Center awaiting the next stage of his legal battle. Whether the case ultimately strengthens his supporters' claims or validates the position of the authorities, one thing is clear. The dramatic scenes witnessed at the Federal High Court have ensured that this story remains firmly in the national spotlight. What are your thoughts on the court's decision and the reaction from Sowore supporters? Share your views in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this report, please like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news, political analysis, and development from Nigeria and across Africa. I'm Chidera Isom. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next report.